Hello fellows, we are discussing arithmetic progression exercise 2.1. So today's section I am going to solve the next problem 19th one. So look at the question. Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of Rs 5000 and received an increment of Rs 200 each year. In which year did his income reach Rs 7000? So here they given the Subba Rao's salary in 1995 is 5000 and every year he have increment that is 200 rupees. So how many year he took to take a salary 7000? Is it clear? So let me solve here. It can be observed that the income that Subba Rao obtained in various years are in AP, as every year his salary is increased by Rs 200. Is it clear? So every year his salary increased Rs 200. It means his salary is in a AP. Is it clear? Because the common difference here 2 is a constant. So that's why it is in a AP. So now therefore the salaries of each year after 1995 are. So in a 1995 he got 5000, right? So next year he got 200 rupees increment. So here his salary is 5200. Then next year he got 200 increment, so salary is 5400. So on, and after some year he got the salary 7000. Is it clear? So we want to find out which year he got 7000. Is it clear? So look at here. Here 5000 is a first term. So write down here A is 5000 and common difference D is 200 because every year he have increment 200 rupees. And here AN is a 7000. AN is 7000 and here we want to find out N. Is it clear? So now here we know that AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here AN is 7000 and this equal to A is 5000 plus N is we don't know, keep as it is, and D is 200. Is it clear? So now 7000 as it is, this 5000 comes in a LHS side, it become a minus. So minus 5000, this equal to N minus 1 into 200. So now 7000 minus 5000 is 2000, and this equal to n minus 1 into 200. So now here this 200 comes in a LHS side, it become a division. So 2000 divided by 200, and this equal to n minus 1. 20 get cancelled. So 2 ones are 2 tens are. So here n minus 1 equal to 10, then n equal to 10 plus 1, minus 1 comes in a RHS side, it become a plus 1. So n equal to 11. So here the after 11 year he got a 7,000. So write the conclusion. Therefore in 11th year his salary will be Rs 7,000. Is it clear? Well students, look at the last question. Ramkali saved Rs 5 rupees in a first week of the year and then increased her weekly saving by Rs 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving become Rs 20.75, find the n. So here they given Ramkali saved Rs 5 rupees in a first week and he weekly increased saving amount is 1.75, and in a nth week her saving become a Rs 20.75. So here we want to find out that nth week, right? So let me solve here. Given that so here the first term A is 5, he started saving from 5 rupees, right? And here the common difference D is weekly C increased by 1.75. Is it clear? So 1.75 is a common difference. In a nth week her saving become 20.75. So 20.75 is a nth term, and here we want to find out n, right? So how many week C took to save Rs 20.75? Is it clear? So now here we know that an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So here an is 20.75 and this equal to a is 5 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 1.75. Is it clear? So now 20.75 as it is. So this 5 comes in a LHS, it become a minus, and this equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. So now make this subtraction. We got 15.75 and this equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. So now here 15.75 as it is, and this 1.75 comes in LHS side, it become a division. So 1.75 and this equal to n minus 1 as it is. So now here remove the points. Here we got 1575 and this divided by 175. So here after 2 place we have point, and here also after 2 place we have points. So I will remove this one. We got this much result, and this equal to n minus 1 as it is. So now here 175 ones are 175, 9s are 1575. Is it clear? So now write down remaining terms. So 9 equal to n minus 1. So minus 1 comes in a LHS side, it become a plus. So n equal to 9 plus 1, so n is 10. So n is 10 here. In a nth week, his saving become 20 rupees. So write down the conclusion here. Hence, n is 10. They said here, find the n. So n is 10. Is it clear?